We've entered all the transactions and we've balanced all the ledgers. So all we've got to do now is a trial balance. So we'll take it one account at a time. So the first one we have is cash at bank. So that had a debit balance of 26,280. So we'll write that in on the debit side. The next ledger was capital, which had a credit balance. So we'll put that in there. We've got office furniture with a debit balance. We had creditors, which had a credit balance. We've got shop fittings, which are assets, so they'll have a debit balance. GST was one that can be a debit or a credit balance. In this case, it's going to be a debit, so we'll put it on the debit side. Got the rent, which is an expense, which always has a debit balance. Stock, as an asset, again, always has a debit balance, so we'll put that in. Sales or revenue, so they go on the credit side. We've got cost of sales, which is an expense, and that'll be a debit. We've got the advertising, which is another expense, and we've got debtors, which are an asset. So if we've done this accurately, there's a good chance this will balance. So what we're going to do now to prove that is add up all the numbers on the debit side, and we'll get a total of 93,420. So what we want to do now is then separately go and add up all the credit figures, so the three numbers on the credit side, and we also get 93,420. So we did look at during chapter 4 some reasons why this can balance and still be wrong, but it is a good sign if it does balance. There can be little or anything wrong with it in that case, and it would appear to be accurate.